Hey everyone, I'm really happy to tell you that just a few steps are left for completing this choreography and you did really well. Just push a little bit, and you'll be able to do the whole choreography of this amazing song called Unholy. Okay, so let's continue where we stopped, okay? So here we were in this position. Now what we'll do is that we have our right hand over here and we'll just trace it like in a semicircular direction. So it'll be like this. But when we do that, we just put our body weight over here at some point and then we'll swiftly come in the forward direction. मतलब हमने क्या करा अपना right hand लिया हमने ऐसे उसको एक semicircular direction में trace करा अपना weight यहाँ रखा और हम आगे अपने पैर लेकर आएंगे. So it will go like this. So we'll come in this position. Okay, हमारे feet wide apart होंगे and it will be the position. So it will be like this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Ab we have to put our face above. Like we have to see the sky or whatever. So it will be like this. And after that, we have to put our body weight on the knees. So to do that, what we'll do is that we'll come here like this and use our hands to come in this forward direction. So it'll be like this. We come here and it'll go like this. Okay, this much. 5, 6 and 7, go. 1 and 2, 3. Yeah. Now we'll just put our hands together like this and we'll stand up. Now we'll start standing up. So it'll be like 1. So again it's the same step. We come here but all of our weight will be on the right leg. So we'll stand up like this. All our weight is here, so it will be like a slanted a sideway standing position. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. We come in this direction and after that we change our leg, like body weight, whatever. So it will be like this. Okay, so Sarah body weight we send it to this left leg, so it comes over here. We stand here for like one beat and after that our hands go like this, like it goes like this. You get me right? It's like this. Okay, this. And the next step will be like this. Okay, so दोनों हाथ आगे आएंगे and चेहरा वापस ऊपर जाएगा. This और आपका फिर just you trace with your hands. This and then again एक waist rotation है. So like this and then and उसके बाद we put our left leg behind like a step back. Then right leg step back. We come back in this position. It's like a repetition of the whole choreography. It's just that hands movement का थोड़ा difference है. It's like this, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, or we jerk a bit. So it's like this, and then we do this namaste again. This something unholy. But it's just that you have to touch your elbows. Elbows भी touch करेंगे, हाथ भी touch करेंगे for this namaste. और ये ऊपर से आएगा और जब नीचे आएगा then you have to look up here. So it will be like this. So this is the end, but we'll do it again. Okay, so where did we leave it here? Okay. Oh, we go. He left his kids at. Oh, we go. So he could get that. Mommy don't know, daddy's getting hot at the body shop. Doing something unholy. Oh, daddy. Okay. So this is the end of the choreography. I hope you got it right. Practice and practice because nothing is impossible, okay? And do not forget to like, share and especially subscribe if you want to learn such choreographies again. Thank you so much. इतने सारे comments के लिए ये video seriously मैं इतने सारे comments पढ़ के लेकर आई थी. I hope सबको बहुत पसंद आएगी. I hope आप सबने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा. Exercise करेगा. Warm up is very important before doing this workout, okay? Especially work on mobility, stretching exercises, and overall warm up is very necessary. क्योंकि वरना you can't get injured or something. वो नहीं चाहते हम. अच्छे से वार्म अप करें, अच्छे से परफॉर्म करें. एंड यू नो I'm asking you कि आप रिकॉर्ड करो and let me know. Send me the videos. I'll be really happy to see them. Tag me. Okay. Practice well. Keep on dancing. Thank you for watching this video. Tracy Sharma signing off.